Happy Groundhog Day Hurricane. Written by Duck Show Studios. Merlin returned to the steelworks. Invisibility off! I bet you didn't see me. Theo chugged up. Oh, we didn't see you at all, Merlin. What a surprise to have you back. Oh, yes, indeed. Welcome back, Merlin, said Lexi. Frankie was still on loan to another railway. She had left Hurricane in charge, but Hurricane had forgot.
Oh, Merlin, the boss is back in town, yeah,
said Hurricane. Oh, yes, the boss is back in town. Right, said Lexi, winking. Well, you know what I heard today, said Lexi.
Oh, what did you hear?
Said Hurricane. Yeah, what did you hear, Lexi? Said Theo. Yes, it's very interesting. We don't get much news here at the steelworks, said Merlin. Well, said Lexi, in the States they have a holiday called Groundhog Day. And every Groundhog Day if the groundhog sees a shadow, that can signal when the winter's ending. Hurricane loved all the seasons. He loved the snow in the winter, the leaves in the fall, the sun in the spring, and the heat in the summer. But he wanted to... This intrigued Hurricane, because he wanted to know when spring would start.
Oh, where do I find a groundhog? Never mind, I'll figure it out. Maybe so I can find a groundhog, I can deliver our steel today. Will you three run the steelworks?
Oh, Lexi, you put ideas in his head, said Theo. Oh, I'm sorry, said Lexi. You see, Hurricane, groundhogs don't actually live in...
Oh, I know where to find a groundhog. I figured it out. Oh yeah, it's all coming together now,
said Hurricane. So now where's the steel? Oh, it's over there, Hurricane, said Theo. Hurricane coupled up to the steel. Good luck on your adventure, Hurricane, said Merlin. Hope you find the hog on the ground.
Oh yeah,
said Hurricane. And he puffed away. See. Hurricane puffed all over the UK. He had a plan.
Hey driver, can we stop at a farm?
Oh, we can't just stop in the middle of the line, you silly old engine, said Hurricane's driver. Hurricane had to reverse, but later down the line, Hurricane couldn't stop thinking about Groundhog Day. He was puffing backwards with the steel.
Oh yeah, this is the place you were meant to be being. These are the sights I was meant to be seeing. And if there's spring, I must turn my thermostat down a degree or two.
Hurricane puffed along.
Now where can I find a hog?
Hog? What are you talking about, Hurricane? Said his driver.
A hog? As in groundhog, driver? Just we need to find a hog on the ground, yeah! Oh, yeah, it's all coming together now. Yep, yeah!
He backed down near a farm.
Is this a pig farm? Oh, yes it is.
There was a pig rolling in the mud. It was a really cloudy winter day, so the sun wasn't shining.
Oh, he can't see his shadow! It's so cloudy!
Hurricane waited while his driver was switching him into forward. Hurricane saw the hog happily playing in the mud.
Oh yeah, mud party!
Said Hurricane. Then the sun came out just as Hurricane was leaving. He didn't even get to see the hog see his shadow. He delivered his trucks and later went back to the steelworks. Lexi was shunting ladle trucks into a siding. All right, they're ready. All ready, she said. Merlin was getting ready to pull his train. Oh, Hurricane's back from his adventure. So, what did the Groundhog predict? Said Merlin.
Oh, he didn't even see his shadow, said Hurricane. Yeah, it was pretty disappointing, really. But, what one does that mean again? Oh, it doesn't matter. I love all the seasons.
And everyone laughed, and that's the end.